Hello, Jet.
Hello, Lysrun.
Yeah, so how are you today?
I'm fine. So, and you?
Yes, I am doing well. I'm sitting here, so what are you feeling?
I think I like this place so much.
Yes.
Especially this house is
That's
interesting.
great. But we don't say this house is interesting. We say this house is interesting.
Why? What's wrong with saying that this house is interesting?
Yeah, because a house is a non-living thing. It is an object. It doesn't feel, but it produces feeling. So, all non-living things do not feel, but they produce feeling. So we use adjective that end in ing to describe non-living things, and we use adjective that end in ed to describe living things, because living thing can feel object. Okay. For example, I say I am interested in this house. This house is interesting. I am surprised or I am excited about the party. The party is surprising or the party is exciting. I am bored with the movie. The movie is boring. So you get one?
Okay, so this house is interesting. I'm interested in this house so much.
Okay, that's great. You're very smart, Jet. But we say I am interested in this house, not I interested in this house.
What's wrong? Why?
Because either interested or interesting is an adjective. It must be preceded by a verb to be or a linking one. Okay?
Okay, so this house is interesting. I am interested in this house, right?
That's good. You're smart.
Okay, I understand. Thank you, Lysrun.
Right. So that's all for today's talk. Goodbye and see you later. Bye-bye.